What's going on, guys? Today, guys, hope you guys are having a great day. Today, guys, I got 3 Yu-Gi-Oh cards here. 1, 2, 3. All 3 are in my collection now. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be unboxing a pack. And I'm going to have to... Which card I flip up and put to the camera with my eyes closed. Literally, my eyes closed. When my eyes look open, I don't even know which one's the camera. Alright, 3, 2, 1. I opened my eyes. Please. I wasn't actually going to go for the 3rd pack, but I opened... Looks like I got to open the 3rd pack. Oh, I can already see the Pokemon. I can already see the Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Calling my name. If some of the Yu-Gi-Oh cards are crap, then... Alright. Other Pokemon cards, you all will go to... All of y'all will go back into the bag for tomorrow's video. And where's the receipt? Because I know the receipt's in here. Let's see here. 333 plus 1. So I had $10 in total. Alrighty. First card of the day is... It's a green card. What is it? Big E Trap. Boogie Trap. That's nice. He'll go in the green pile of cards. Duan Twilight Swan General. That's nice. He'll go in the brown card area. Hold on, Mom. I'm busy. What? Yeah? I don't know. Mom's yelling at me for no fucking reason. Alright, what's this card? Ooh, it looks like... Oh, it is a brown card. I don't know how to say that name, so I ain't gonna say it. Oh, it's a brown mixed in with a green. There's that card. Please let me... Oh, this is a card I haven't got before. It's like a light brown card. That's cool. I have it. It has its own pile now. Finally, we got a purple. That's nice. Ooh, I haven't got a blue card yet. My favorite cards to collect from Yu-Gi-Oh cards will be blue. So every else of cards that you will see, I will trade you like money for. I have 4 cards left. So, let me see what color this card is. I'm not looking. Y'all can't see that I'm looking. And, ooh, another brown card. Oh, another purple. Another purple. I just want to get the purples, like, out of the way. And another brown. Alrighty, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to count the stack of cards that y'all see me have so far. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hold up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I have 12 brown cards. Let me see how many green cards I have. 3 green cards. And I have 5 purple cards, and my mom will not shut up as she's hollering my name. So, I'll see you guys in a bit. I think I'll motherfucking care.